Ready?
Jeff, I hate you. That's gonna make noise and it's gonna ruin this.
It's called
but whatever.
Christmas cards. Where would we be if I never met you and you never met me? I couldn't believe the night when you told me about everything, and that was the start. All those trips to the park, staying late after dark. You said, take my heart. Sun comes up, I raise my head up out of bed, and I hear my phone ring. The first thing I see is good morning, darling, and you pack a crayon. 52. Oh, with your pictures, that's when I knew I loved you. For you, I'd take a car and see from Sycamore. You could come live with me. And for you, I get some tickets for an airplane. We'll move to the UK, never have to worry. For you, I drive every
I messed up! Didn't you do that same thing when we were
Yeah,
playing on the piano?
Look at this! I can't even read it! Okay, sorry.
Keep going.
Okay.
Let's edit that out there.
Alright. For you, I drive every